ready to unlock a whole new level of workflow efficiency. Today, we're diving deep into the integration of Nano Banana with Higgsfield. First things first, ensure you have both Nano Banana and Higgsfield properly installed and running. Navigate to the Integrations section within your Higgsfield settings. This is usually found under the Preferences or Account Settings menu. Look for the Nano Banana option. You may need to search or scroll through a list of available integrations. Once you find it, click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your Nano Banana API key and any necessary authorization tokens. These keys grant Higgsfield access to Nano Banana's functionalities. You can find your API key within your Nano Banana account settings. Copy the API key from your Nano Banana account and paste it into the corresponding field in Higgsfield. Do the same for any other required authorization tokens. With the integration complete, you can now access Nano Banana features directly from within Higgsfield. This could include features like automated data analysis, project management enhancements, or streamlined reporting. The specific functionalities will depend on your Nano Banana subscription, and the features supported by the Higgsfield integration. Refer to the Nano Banana documentation for a full list of available options. By leveraging the power of Nano Banana within Higgsfield, you can automate tasks, improve collaboration, and gain valuable insights, ultimately boosting your overall productivity. Now, go forth and integrate.